What up, fishes? Welcome back to the channel. And today, I want to show you how to take a $1 cup of ramen and make it into a $50 cup of ramen. Hashtag chef life. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh. All right, Sushi Gang, a common question I always get is, Chef, what do you like to eat? Now, I do a whole video about what I like to eat, but today's video is about what do chefs eat when they don't have time. And reality is, I actually don't have time today. I have a lot of fish in the back I have to cut. So I thought it'd be a perfect episode to show you what do chefs eat when they're busy. So, my favorite, we're gonna do a cup of ramen, which I already showed you, and add my 3 favorite ingredients. Bluefin tuna, toro, Wagyu beef A5, and some fresh Japanese Hokkaido uni. Now, chefs don't get a chance, the luxury to sit down, have a break, very common. We have to work straight from lunch to dinner or prep in between that 3 to 5 o'clock pocket. I have about 3 hours between service and my next service, so I'm gonna bust out my favorite on the go, expensive as far as like we still get to eat something that's like, you know, gluttony and high end, but I'm also on the fly. So I call it my $50 cup of ramen. Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. Oh yeah, get a little squishy bag in there. That's the good oils. That's the sodium bomb oils. That's what you need. And being the head chef or the owner or both, you get the pick, you get first pick rather than scraps. So I would usually make a scrap bowl, but I've graduated in all my years of sushi. Oh, look at me now, mama. Woo! Okay, just bust out some toro here. A little reserve for the chef. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. And I'm gonna give some nice thick chunks. This is not for sushi, so disregard the portion size. Let's do a healthy serving. Chef needs his protein. Ooh, 4 pieces of some fatty tuna right there. Ooh, Lord. Ooh, baby, baby, baby. Oh yeah. How should I do this? I definitely want some fat. So what I do is I kind of personally like the fat in my soup. I'm gonna save those. I'm just gonna add some oil. And what I'll do is probably eat about that much. This one I can save, or I can always add to it. It is pretty rich, so. All right, let's bust out some sea urchin, and usually the chef has to eat it to taste the quality anyways, so I get to do that, but in the ramen. Here we go, from Japan. Beautiful stuff. Let's see what we got here. So far, so good. Gorgeous stuff. Oh yeah. Whoopsh. All right, make sure that lid is nice and sealed. Here we go, and see you in 3 minutes. Lunchtime. Oh yeah. If you like sodium in your body, then cup of ramen is the way. If you wanna run to the bathroom and go, okay guys, focus. A little swish swish. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. The salt burns my nose. Boom. Little mix, and here we go. Here's how you transform it. Count with me now. There's $1. Let's do Toro first, and then the Wagyu and the uni on top. And then the longer you wait, the more it cooks. So you want to get in there quick. So here's how you make fine dining bowl ramen. Ooh. 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 Oh, the oil just starts coming out immediately of that Toro. And I'm gonna take some of this Wagyu beef fat, kind of put it in the bottom and push it down there. Let it just start marinating in there. And I put the beef, I go 1, 2, 3. Are you counting how much this costs? This is like crazy price. Oh, but that Toro's cooking. Ooh, the beef's cooking quick. Ooh, baby, baby! Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. Let's do a portion control, David. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. What? Oh. Ooh, baby! Make it nice and pretty. Look at nice and pretty. I got little onions. Oh. Ha! Oh my God, I am so excited. Look at this, guys. We got Wagyu beef, A5 Wagyu. We got some Japanese sea urchin uni and some fatty tuna Toro. Oh, man. We gotta do a noodle check. Noodle check. $50 bowl of ramen in 5 minutes in between prep and service. Welcome to the real chef life, baby. Woo, baby. Look at this Wagyu. It's like shabu shabu, where you just a light swish. Oh. Oh my God. It's like Wagyu beef, uni, Toro. Ay, papi. Oh my God. Oh, I should put scallops. Oh, I should put scallops. They're shucking scallops, but you can't see them. And the Toro, oh, super fatty. Oh, baby. And I got a little uni in there. Oh, the unis. Oh, yeah, baby. Ooh, look at the unis. Oh. All right, guys, I can't show you this anymore. It's time to eat. If you guys like that episode and you want to see more, please subscribe, thumbs up, ring that bell, and comment below if you want to see the $500 bowl uni ramen. See you guys later.